Hello everyone, today I will show you how to black out text in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I will black out this text. Now click on this protect option and here you will find this smart redact or this mark for reduction and select a text and image option. Now select OK and simply drag your mouse cursor, select your text and save this. Now press right button for your mouse cursor and simply select here apply and see this warning, you are about to permanently redact the select content. Now select OK and see this text now hide, and similarly also I'll black out this text and press right button and select apply. In this way you can redact your text in your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.